Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to collaborate on Instagram story with our friends, we have to be tagged or mentioned in their Instagram story. And after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So first of all, we can go to our Instagram direct message, and as you can see, this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can click on it and then click on add to your story to repost the story or to collaborate on this Instagram story. Okay, and to get the full screen, you can click on the image like this. Then before you repost the story to your Instagram, you can add tag, sticker, or music. It's up to you. Feel free to add it the Instagram story. Then you just need to click on your story to share the story to your Instagram account. And I'm going to check it now. The story is being uploaded. It's still loading, guys, and we have to wait. Okay, and now it's done. As you can see that we can see the Instagram story collaboration right here. This is my account and my friend's account. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.